Hello, viewer. Once again, good morning in your favorite YouTube channel, Talk and Walk. Walk and talk. Just, I request to you all, please, in February now, you can see weather. Actually, air is only blowing, and now this video is gonna be mind blowing. So, I'm wearing jacket, but guys, if I talk about temperature, is not like good. I mean, not just high and low, just it made like to the temperature is as I'm concerned about forecast. So 7 degree temperature. So I am at park and guys, if I talk about time, so it's 5 o'clock, and this video is gonna be for 1 hour, and you'll learn many things, guys. So just I'm gonna describe I'm gonna talk about on many things. So guys, I'm also today delightful. Actually, why I'm delightful? I'm gonna yeah viewers. So I am today delightful. Actually, my GD exam is today, so I am gonna appear in GD exam in Noida sector 62. So guys, Adarsh Nagar to Noida sector there is a 1 hour distance if I go by metro. So if there is no just transport by bus and cab, yeah, I can go, but guys, fare would be just much if I just choose a cab any bus. So I would rather prefer metro than other just transport. So that's why just I'm gonna appear in my exam. Really, guys, general duty. There are many just post comes like first CISF, BSF, and SSB, and there are many posts. Uh, so, guys, if I talk about how someone gets post, so it's based on your marks. But when we fill up the form, then we get preference. So which post I mean you wanna give first preference. So according your choice you can give, and I also just fill up the my first preference CISF. Actually in CISF you get opportunity. I mean you get opportunity to work in Delhi. You don't go just outside. Otherwise, other post there is surety. I mean, 80% possibility. You'll have to work outside Delhi. You can't stay in Delhi. But I love to Delhi. I love to live here, and I have been living here for a long time. So I wouldn't just like from here and to stay at other places. And viewers, today I'm gonna just demonstrate zero to infinite, zero to hero. Because why someone like this, someone didn't have something, but now uh, he or she has everything. I mean, just have a like comfort life and adorable life, and now they have become icon for society, even for you and for us. Why it came off, and how did they make it happen? Have you ever just perceived, guys? I think, as I'm concerned, no one wants to dive into reality. No one wants to get to know about just their background, how much hard work they did, and how much dedication they have towards their commitment, towards their goal. So I request you all, you will have to commit. Commitment is the first step towards your success. But overcommitment not, only commitment, single. If you commit first, and now if you have complete, when you will complete your first commitment, then we should commit next. Otherwise, at once you commit 4 and 2 commitment to yourself, then it would be just cumbersome for you. You can't complete even single commitment and you all stress out. But guys, why we are unable to make it out? I am also hero, I am also infinite like other. First of all, guys, I would like to just give you just a glance of view the park. And today, like weather is favorable, so there are 5 and 6 person in the park except me. So I'm not getting just lawn. And actually, guys, just in January, I used to come 5 o'clock, so I had to jump the wall. And even who hold the who holds the key, he didn't come. And he used typically he came 8 and just 9 o'clock. But guys, I had to just go half past 7 o'clock, so it was my compulsion to came early. But now time actually it's a mid-February, so weather is favorable, so who holds the key, he comes, even he comes 5 o'clock, and then he unlocked the gate. So you can see environment is so favorable. And guys, it's my fortune, I mean, just this park is walking distance from my home. So just I woke up and then I came here. And guys, yeah, I'm gonna just I was demonstrating zero to hero journey. Guys, first of all, I'd like to just make you understand from someone's like Virat Kohli. Guys, now Virat Kohli, either Sachin Tendulkar. First of all, I like to just give you example, Sachin Tendulkar. Guys, he did. Now he is known for his strength. He is called God of Cricket. But guys, do you know how did he become God of Cricket? Not within one day, not within 2 days. Even he was not born with this talent. Like when he was born, and then he said to mom, "Mom, I wanna be cricketer." And mom asked, "How did you know you have this aptitude?" Mom said, "Yeah." Then Sachin said, "Oh yeah, I have. Mom, I have this aptitude." And God said to me, "Sachin, you are gonna just launch on the green earth, and your profession would be cricket." No, guys. He made it out. He figured out, and then he he guys dedicated himself around the clock. Not guys, dedicated means to just only played and think other. Not. He dedicated himself in the cricket, and as well as he dedicated his mind. Guys, I notice like if I talk about any just cricket player like Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni, if they are called God of Cricket, so they guys around the clock they think only and only cricket. Around the clock they think about the cricket. I was just watching one interview, and then just one question was asked from MS Dhoni, like when do you play cricket? So what kind of thoughts just you get in your mind? Then just he told that reporter, interviewer, yeah, when I appear in interview, so I mean interview, and when I sleep, when I eat, around the clock, I only think about cricket, not other profession. I mean, he dedicated himself. So guys, same thing. They just didn't become like hero, zero to hero just by accidentally. No, they did a lot of. Guys, everyone holds the key of success. But thing is that you will have to also put your pains. You will have to also face pain. You will have to suffer a lot. You will also cry. But still, you will have to keep on trying. But guys, no, we want only result, but we don't want pain. Then you are zero, you were zero, and you will be zero. But guys, I wanna tell you, in my reality, I mean in my surrounding, there are 2 and 3%. I just get inspiration from it. And whenever I just get upset, my negative thoughts try to just look down me, look down me. So anytime I just recall them, they didn't have something, they struggle a lot. If they can, so why not love? Guys, there is my one cousin brother. Literally just uh, he came. I mean, my just uncle came in Delhi when he was 5 years old, and he studied in a government school. But guys, since his childhood, he just he went through the rough way. He didn't have money to eat enough food and many more things. My auntie just she always used to just be under weather and many treatment just and in hospital. She spent 2 years in hospital. So you can imagine like what's condition of their family. But guys, I get inspiration. Now he was zero, now he is hero. Yeah guys, in real life he is hero. He work on his personality, he work on finance, in each and everything. And one more thing I want to add up, he doesn't have hubris. I mean, he is not hubris person. If you ask help, then definitely whenever I just get there, we also get respect, and as well as we get one positive vibe. Actually guys, whenever we go to meet someone has succeeded in their life, so we get positive vibe, confident, self belief. You all get something is positive surrounding you, and we try to just glean from him or her as much as we can. So as I also glean many things. He just went he like earn money, and he also is. I'm not just considering only earning money. He earned money, he also educated himself in a University of Delhi regular college. And now just guys, literally just I praise his confident level. So why how did he develop? Guys, not while sleeping on the bed, not while just chatting on the WhatsApp, not just scrolling the reel, not just like posting, not some plaything. These all stuff are banana oil. It's only banana oil. If you want to be hero, guys, you can be. There is hero. You are the hero. You are the hero of your story. You are the prominent figure in your story. But when you all be hero, I want to make you to all hero. And guys, if you don't if you don't get out from your comfort zone, then you will be only zero, and your entire life you will be fan of someone. You will be just like viewers, followers of someone others. Your hero will be different. But now I wanna make you your own hero by your own story. Guys, please, you will have to only change something in your life. You have to change the way you think. You have to change the friend circle. If they are not confident, just leave it. And guys, you are infinite. You are infinite. Guys, if you get fear, just change that fear. How that thing can make me scared? Infinite, there is, guys, infinite is endless. You are infinite. You are endless. Guys, you can purchase your dream home, you can purchase your dream car, you can just visit your dream place, each and everything. But guys, being a zero, you can't. You all have to you all have to just become a hero. And guys, when I came in park, I also got one light. And in my childhood I used to play with this uh, like uh, the we get one just like a spring, yeah, and then we just throw it on the sky. So yeah, maybe someone just forgot here. Yeah, just I just got, and now I kept in my pocket. If someone asks, then I'll just give. And guys, you must have clarity what literally you want in your life. But guys, now just our surrounding, more than 90% people, they are negative. More than 90 negative. I mean, our surrounding is negative. So guys, yeah, it would be so tough to be positive here, but now they are zero. And in 90%, if you want to be hero, you'll have to you'll have to just compel your mind to things negative, not positive. In every just situation, whether it's favorable, whether it's against for you, but you have to just think positive. Like guys, if I come here, I'm in park and just rain started, then I have two options to think negative. My 1 hour, my 2 hour just gonna be a spoil. And the same in a positive way, I can say, oh yeah, today I'm gonna just record video, combination, I mean killer combination of nature, tree, grasses, and rain. This video is gonna be killer combination of nature. And guys, in every, first of all, actually positivity. If you are unable to get positivity from your involvement, from your friend circle, so please change your mindset now. No one can negative me, and my thoughts depend on my action. My thinking process depend on my action and my just schedule. And guys, definitely you all change your mindset. And now next point I'm gonna tell you, learn to take a stand. But guys, do you know, 80% people, they don't take a stand. They only depend on I mean, guys, they always make lame excuse. They don't take a stand. They just wait for someone. They wait for perfect time. They wait for money. They wait for someone will come and just help me. They wait for blessing of God, but not at all. It's a bitter truth. No one will come at you. Love, do you want to start your business? I'll give you $500. I'll invest in your company. Then you'll say, amazing. Who are you? It's only just I'm kidding you. Amazing. Who are you? Guys, if you go out somewhere and to ask, hey, I'm gonna just start my business, would you like to invest in my company? Then they will say to you, amazing. Who you are? So guys, and like just in zero to hero journey, you have to take your stand. Yeah, whatever have you been doing for a long time, you are not getting result. You have just wasted your money. You have wasted your time. Now you are in a stress syndrome. You are just suffering from past regret. So what should we do? I mean, you are stranded. It means like you are stuck. So what should we do? Guys, forget everything. I know it's not just it's not easy as I am walking in the park. I know it's not easy, but do you want to get infinite? Do you want to be hero? Then you will have to make it possible. Forget everything. Start from zero. Start new journey. Like you try something but you didn't succeed, and now you are in a stress syndrome. You have been just thinking over. You have been abusing yourself. You have been abusing your education. You have been abusing your government for a long time. Do you know, guys, how do we just develop this mindset? How do we get these thoughts? Guys, our mind make us full. guys. Actually it's a like a behavior of human being. Whenever we do mistake, so our mind doesn't allow, I mean don't allow us to admit to just eat the crow. No, if I guys fail in 9th class, god forsake, if someone just gets fail in 9th class, he will start amusing, "Huh, that teacher didn't completed syllabus, that teacher didn't take regular classes, that teacher I had I mean I didn't have good bonding with him, that's why he didn't let me pass, he didn't promote me." But guys, not, it's not better truth. Everyone wants to help you, but thing is that first you all have to try, first you all have to stand. And guys, if you want to be hero, next point is gonna be mind blowing. Just close and just get read from those hero. You spend, you waste your 2 and 3 hours every day to watch them. Just uh, keep away yourself from those actress, influencer. Keep away yourself. If you want yourself at their place, you will have to keep away yourself from them. Like there are guys, many person in my surrounding. Whenever in my leisure time, typically I don't hang out myself with them, but just randomly they meet, so I don't uh, cast aside them. I just engage in their conversation. So blindly they just say, no, 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 he is my just hero, and he's my role model. You can't say anything against him. But guys, if you just always think about your hero, your actress, then when you'll be hero, you'll, even you don't have time to think about yourself. Guys, same thing is going in the society. Everyone is thinking, oh, that person is so uh, lucrative. That person is, that person has a lucrative attitude, lucrative personality. Guys, you are also lucrative for them. Lucrative means like beneficial for them. So you have to decide, you want, do you want that things whichever they have. And next, guys, I'm gonna make you understand, guys. Sometime we think over, I mean, yeah, I'll start my business, and within that date I'll I'll achieve that things. But guys, we don't have courage to take even single step alone. We don't have courage to take a baby step. But you are thinking, you don't have courage to just travel alone, eh, without your family 5 kilometers. But you are thinking, I'll travel 500 kilometers. It couldn't be possible. First of all, you'll have to take first step, 5 kilometer journey. And guys, second step, courage, you all get 10 kilometer. And then guys, your once time come, and you will be able to travel up to 5,000 kilometer. And guys, you can also just have a view of the moon. Yeah, I would like to just it's the view of moon, guys. As you can see, I yeah as yeah, I would like to just yeah, here you can see the moon. Yeah, here you can see the moon. So yeah, guys, it's killer combination of nature, like the moon, the tree, grasses. And as you can see, there are some person, they are just running. I'd like to zoom like this. So guys, it's beauty of this park. Actually, there is no huge rush, huge noise, So I love to just come here. And second, guys, I get in comment box like just I'm just fed up with my thoughts. I'm fed up with my uh, past mistake. How can I just blot out these all things from my life, just for always? So yeah, I'd like to just give you some tip. I mean points. If you really want to just blot out this stuff from your life. Yeah, and we should blot out. We should, but there is process. I mean, if you just go through this process, definitely you can. Either, guys, when we don't forget. I mean, when we don't bring ourselves in present, then we just squander our time. I mean, we don't get progress and just productivity as our exception. So we should. Otherwise, your life you will feel always burden. I mean, cumbersome on your life, like regret, mistake. These all things would be like burden for you. So please, just buy one diary, and just guys write down what going in your mind, and then just ask to yourself, is it right? Is it gonna happen? Isn't it? Does it add value in my life? Does it deserve to make me scared? And then, guys, you all get answered. Self-reflection. Ah, no, these are only just consequences of past, and you are the present. You are the infinite, guys. When you perceive yourself, you are the infinite. Then we get some. We get confident. Infinite is endless. Infinite is endless, and who is endless? No one can make scare. Nothing can scare. No one can hector. So endless is fearless. Infinite I use, guys, to make you all fearless. And if you are fearless, then you all get opportunity everywhere. And, guys, next, just in your zero to hero journey, I wanna just add up. You can also see there is one little boy. Maybe just he saw me. I was recording video, so he is coming towards me, and I wanna add up something just in your zero to infinite journey. Always perceive you are the hero. You are the hero. You are the best. But, guys, when you will start thinking this, there is also one quotation of Swami Vivekananda. Just fill your mind with positive thoughts around the clock, and you'll get positive result in your life. I did it, and now I am doing. I, guys, always there my mind. I mean, just was full of negative thoughts. But I just stop, and then I just started thinking. Always positive. I am the best. I am the hero. I am the infinite. And now I am the fearless love. Same things you have to love. It's not, guys, rocket science. I'm gonna just tell you, yeah, if you want to be hero infinite, you will have to learn rocket science. I'm gonna just tell you, I'm gonna teach you physics and chemistry, biology, not at all. Only these just 4 and 5 just things you have to implement in your life, and then you'll have a better life. So, one actually, in every video I just say to you all, one life, great life, one life, best life. And, guys, just second comment, just I'm gonna just talk over there, like bhaiya, just I look down myself. I underestimate myself, like this. My friends have succeeded. who studied with me, and they ignore me, and they don't receive my call, and they have blocked my contact number. I just same like just that's why I just mention in every video, bro. They have become hero. That's why they perceive you. You are zero, and you don't resonate with their self, their attitude. So I request to you all, why are you chasing them? Why are you chasing them? Just work on yourself, and I can make you pure. I can make you assure. Time come, and they will chase you. But thing is that you have to keep away yourself from them. Yeah, you actually it wouldn't be just comfy for you, guys. Even for me, I just hang out myself with some friends, okay. And if I don't meet once in a week, actually I care about them, and I look after them. They look after me. So if I don't meet them, so I don't meet them, so I feel like loner, and I don't feel like good. Same thing when when they don't meet me, they also feel loner and bored. Guys, when they starting ignoring you and just casting aside you, so we are not here for self insult and for ignoring. Not just start working on yourself, and just start taking baby step by your own stand, and just perceive you are infinite, you are endless, and you have God. If you do good karma, then definitely you all get result. You are not gonna fail. If you do good karma, you all get help. You will also get omnipotent. God is omnipotent. Everywhere is God is everywhere. In tree, in the sky, in the pole, in the breeze, everywhere. Just take a stand and perceive you have a best friend who don't appear. There is one best friend. I do just what I do. I just reveal. I take my stand. I take my stand, and I say to myself, I have one best friend who don't appear, who don't appear, who always protect me, who always guide me, who always mentored me when my uh, real mentor don't just in my contact. When I don't chat there, then that super omnipotent mentor always mentor me. Always I perceive God, who there is one guardian who don't who doesn't appear, but who protect me more than others. So definitely you all get one just confident to just do something. Guys, everything is confident. Yeah. If you master up courage, if you build the confidence, then everything is gonna be so easy. It's not yet so tough. But to just build confidence, to master up courage, it's a little bit challenges. Actually, we challenge ourselves to go out from comfort zone like this. If you are in habit of sleeping 9 hours, 10 hours, then to just put down your sleeping time like 5 and 6 hours, it would be challenges. But question is, If you do you want uplift yourself from zero to hero, then you all have to put down your sleeping time. This life we don't get only to just sleep. Just wake up and walk and talk, not not with someone else. Walk and talk with yourself, like I am doing, and you can also do by this way, guys. It has been 35 minutes, and now I just look at there, then just it's gonna be 36 minutes. I just within 35 minutes I didn't just get bored, I didn't get loner, I didn't freeze my mind. Now I'm also getting more questions. But guys, it's today is my exam,